In this video, I will show you how to connect Crypto.com to Onchain. So to do this, first open up the Crypto.com app. Then click on the three lines in the top left. Now here we're going to click on your name at the top. And from here click on Account. Now you will find under Permissions Crypto.com Onchain. So go and click on it. And if you haven't installed it yet, simply go and install it. And after it's installed, open up the app. Now, if you haven't yet created a wallet, create a wallet right now. So first create a passcode and confirm it. And then click continue. Now you can also back up this wallet, which you should do, but for this video, I'll just click continue. So now that you have your account here, go back to Crypto.com and click on Crypto.com Onchain again. So now that you have the Crypto.com Onchain app and you've created your wallet, go to Wallet in the bottom right, and here click on the settings icon in the top right. Then click Connect to Crypto.com app, then agree to both of these right here, and click Connect Wallet, however much it is for you. For me, Wallet 1, and then here enter your Crypto.com app account email, and click Send Connection Email. You will receive an email like this that says authorized connection between Crypto.com and Crypto.com Onchain. So click connect and then open it up in your browser. Then enter your Crypto.com app passcode. Then enter a 2FA code if you have 2FA enabled and click on continue. Then you will see authorized connection, information to be shared, wallet address. So click authorized connection. Then click allow and it will then open up Onchain again. And now you'll see connection successful. You can now transfer funds between your Crypto.com Onchain wallet and Crypto.com account. Now in wallet, if you go to deposit and select Bitcoin, for example. Now on Crypto.com, if you go back here to your account, you will see that Crypto.com Onchain now says disconnect since we have now connected it. So now you know how to connect Crypto.com to Onchain. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.